What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Handyman Life. In this episode, as you can see, we're focused on the faucet here. It went bad. The handle is just spraying water everywhere, and so it's been a couple days, but I got one ordered on Amazon. I'm really excited about it. It's gonna be super cool. Let's check it out. There's our faucet box. Let's crack this thing open and check it out. Alright, so this is the Amati pull-down faucet. This was such a great value. It's got a super cool feature on it too, which I'm hoping works really well. It's got this LED light on it so that it's supposed to change colors depending on the temperature of the water. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy installed. Right, so before we can install the new faucet, obviously I gotta uninstall the old one. And while we're at it, I got a couple of these new cutoff valves and we're gonna get these put on underneath the sink as well. All right, guys, so I've already went ahead and removed everything from underneath, including the RO tank, because we don't need that in the way. Let's go ahead and make sure these child locks are unlocked so we can get quick access. And I got my bucket here all ready. We're gonna get it started. Alright, guys, so I got both new valves on, and let's go turn the main water back on and make sure that there's no leaks. Alright, so after I turn the water back on, I come in and you can see that we do have a little drip on the hot water side, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can tighten that up. All right, so I gave it an extra crank with the wrenches and I think we're in good shape now. Good deal. All right, guys, so now that we got the two shutoff valves replaced, it's time to get started on that new faucet. Let's rip this old one out of here. Alright, guys, we got the old faucet all out. There it is in pieces, and I got the new prep area. It's all prepped where the new faucet's gonna go, and I've also got a new soap dispenser that I'm gonna put on here as well. We're gonna leave a hole open. Unfortunately, I'll probably just have to get like a plug from the store or something like that to make it look clean. So let's dig into this new faucet and get this thing installed and see how it works. Alright guys, I had to pull the faucet back off actually because when I had it on there, you see how the this thin stainless sink, it's got a lot of flex in it, to be honest, and the big fancy faucet, this thing would work great with like a stone countertop or something more solid with a little more base. And so the best thing I can do is I got underneath and I moved that clip to the center so that it's super solid at the back. And then I just made this base actually, and so this is going to go underneath to add some support for this faucet so that we don't deal with it wobbling around. So let's get this put in and finish this out. Alright guys, it's all finished up. I'm just gonna have to get a cover, a plug for right here in this hole. I got those at the store, pick one up. Here's a final touch. A little temperature deal. Turn it. Oh, boom. Alright. So, as you can see, the water turns color with the temperature. Pretty sure green is cold, blue is warm, and red is hot. Got a light show for the faucet. There it is. Turning red. Let you know that it's hot. You go? Ready? Ready? Go! Woo! Whoopsies! Whoa! Ah, you got me, you got me. No, put it outside. Put it outside. Come on.
That feels good. Baby.
This guy here.
I don't think I would ever have Stella be in this. I would be like, I don't know.
Hi, Stella. What are you doing? Do you know Daddy's recording it now?
No.
Oh, no, of course you... No, you didn't know that? What you looking at?
You get to spend time with Daddy tomorrow. Which I know you've been missing.
Aww.
You've been missing Daddy. You're excited about that. How cute.
Oh, I love you too, baby. Oh, my baby.
You're amazing. We love you.
My cutie pie. What you doing? You want to fly? You want to fly around? Fly around? Come here. Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Whoa.
Look at you, cutie. You ready?
Cutie.
You ready? Meow. Back up now. Take off. You like that a lot, huh?
Daddy's getting a workout.
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay. Look at her face. She's looking at it like, whoa.
Whoa. Handstand.
Whoa.
Whoa. Handstand. Whoa. Handstand. Ooh. Your pants are falling down. Come here. Alright guys, so that's going to finish it up for today's episode of the Handyman Life. Thanks so much for tuning in. I had a blast installing the LED faucet from Amazon. I'm going to leave that link down in the description below, so in case you want one, you can find it. Be sure to find me on Instagram at the Handyman Life, where I put up a few hints before YouTube, sometimes. With that being said, I appreciate all the love and support. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the like, and make sure your post notifications are on so you don't miss out on any other projects. I've got a Patreon account set up in case you'd like to help support the channel and help make it grow. I'm really looking forward to bringing you guys as much good content as I can, and I think we can get there together. If you've got any ideas for future projects, make sure to put those down in the comments below as well, and we can probably try to make that happen. So with that being said, remember, you can do anything you put your mind to. Just give it up to God, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.